Hi, I always want to create a milk carton gift box. I just find it is cute. So here it is. It features a peeking window to see what goodies are in the box and good size for treats. It is easy to make, so let's get into it. The download link is in the description. One Studio3 file for Cameo and one SVG file for Cricut. Upload the SVG file to Design Space. Very straightforward. These pink patterns are decorative panels for the box. 2 pieces for the carton. The white circle is for acetate sheets that goes to the window here. And milk ribbon banner. We are going to change all the black lines to score lines. Go to the right hand side panel. The top 3 layers are the lines we need. We will click them and change to score lines. Click the top layer and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. Continue to select the second and the third layers. We can see the top 3 layers are now darker gray. Go to the top and change from basic cut to score. We can see the lines are all score lines now. The third one is for the banner. Right-click to ungroup. We will attach the score lines to their match. Select the top carton and the score line. Right-click and attach. We want to attach the carton and the score line, but not the flower frame for the window. Select only the carton and the score. Ensure the flower is not selected. Right-click and attach. The flower frame is gone. It is still there, just has been hidden behind the carton body. Same as the ribbon. Attach them together. It's all done. Click Make It to send to cut. Come to the Prepare page. We can see the score line for the ribbon hasn't been attached properly. Cancel and go back to the project. Select them and attach. Click Make It again. The first page is a circle. It is for the see-through window, so we use an acetate sheet. Second and third pages are for the milk carton. You could follow the default colors or change the decorative cow patterns to black. Click Continue to cut and choose your scoring tool setting. This is the first page acetate sheet. Carefully peel off the patterns. Put the spatula underneath and move along slowly. Here are all the cutouts. 2 pieces for the milk carton, 1 acetate for the window, 4 decorative panels for the sides. The one with the circle in the middle is for the front, 2 decorative panels for the top, flower frame for the window, and they are for the ribbon banner. First, fold all the score lines, fold them backward. For the triangle score lines here, fold them upward. Same as the other carton piece. Flip the front piece. We will glue the acetate circle on. Be careful not to let any glue get on the acetate. It will be hard to clean. Flip its back. We will glue the decorative panels on. Also the 2 pieces for the top. When apply glue, make sure cover all the corners. All the decorative panels are on. Glue the flower frame on. Attach the two carton pieces together. Turn to the bottom. Fold the two tabs with circle marks in first. Apply glue on the other two tabs and seal the bottom. Push from inside to secure. Fold the ribbon. Glue the milk piece on. Now the ribbon. Apply glue here and here to make it look like this. I prefer it like this, more stand out. I will just apply glue at the back. We could also put a ribbon on the top if you prefer. The milk carton is done. Cut a 20 inches ribbon or twine. Put the twine through and make a bow. Easy peasy. Hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching.